Hello Rams, I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today I'm showing you the ShiSha packing machine. Okay, let me show you around our flow packing machine. One, two, three, four. Here are our production and look at this one. Here is our finished, will deliver soon. ShiSha packing machine. The touch screen and here is middle ceiling and horizontal ceiling with the cutter and the touch screen, and here and here is leaking bag device, continuous bag device. This customized for packing 200 grams. Okay, let's look at this part. Here, can you see? It's made of stainless steel 304. So you have any customized packing solution, just find me on the website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.